Welcome back to another AvePoint bite-sized tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about adding users to your environment. You may already be a tenant owner in your environment, but this will let you add users, give them special permissions to use your tools, or even set them as service administrators if you want. From the landing page, you're going to want to go to Management and then User Management. Here you'll see several users that you have added into your tenant, their role, what sign-in method they use, and the status of that user in your environment. If you wish to add a new user, you're going to go up to the top and click Add. You're going to select the sign-in method you want to use for this user, likely Microsoft 365. However, you can also use Google, Salesforce, or you can have them sign in as a local user. Once you select the type of sign-in method, you'll be asked what tenant you'd like to add. In this instance, we're using Microsoft 365, so I'm selecting my Microsoft 365 tenant. You'll then be asked to add your users. You can add multiple users to this list, and as long as it shows up gray like this, that means it's a confirmed user that can be sent to. You can also add a Microsoft group in here as well if you already have these users in a group and don't wish to individually add each user. For that, you want to select the role for this user or users. Do you want them to be a tenant user, a service administrator, or a customized administrator? Regular tenant user can be selected here, and then you can further select what permissions they have. So for example, if we have cloud backup from Microsoft 365, we can enable that, and we can say that they are a standard user for that application, so they would not have any of the application administrator functions, such as doing these settings, or I can have them be an application administrator where they can actually adjust those backup and restore settings individually. This is fully customizable, so if I wanted a standard user for cloud backup from Microsoft, but I wanted someone to be an application administrator for cloud backup for Salesforce, I can customize it in that way, and this goes for all of our tools listed. If you want a user to be a service administrator for everything, including AvePoint Online Services Confidence Platform itself, you can simply select Service Administrator, and where they will be an admin for everything. So they'll be an admin and can change the settings in the Confidence Platform, as well as all of the tools that you currently have. If you want to customize what permissions that administrator has, you can actually get into that by having a Customize Administrator, where you can tell it to toggle the management, auto discovery, or the administration roles. And that'll allow you to customize the options here on the left on the Confidence Platform. In that case, if you wanted someone to be able to run different scan profiles for the auto discovery, but not touch the administration side, you can have that set up. Once completed, you just have one little last option here about sending email notifications. If you enable this, it'll send an email notification to all newly added users so that they can log in and reset their password and get all situated inside the tool. And now you have your users added to your environment. Next steps is to give them permissions in your environment, or for other tutorials, check out our YouTube channel or our database at learn.avepoint.com.
Continue your learning journey. Scan the QR code for step-by-step instructions on AvePoint Learn. And for more practical tips and product walkthroughs, subscribe to our YouTube channel